Hey, we've got something to show you guys.
Yes, it's one of our listings. We're here in Daphne.
There you go. And this is in Lake Forest?
Yes.
Okay. This neighborhood has beautiful homes tucked in the trees. And they have rolling hills is probably the best way to say this.
Yes.
So we're going to turn this camera around and we're going to show you the house. We are going to go up here and find Miss Tasha.
Welcome to 266 Ridgewood in Daphne, Lake Forest. Need to go in?
Let's take a look. So when you come in, you have to make a decision. Will you go up or will you go down?
Let's go up.
Let's go up. Right here's the living room.
We are surrounded by trees. There's a bunch of trees over here. You can see off the window.
We are up in the trees, aren't we?
And a bunch of trees across the street. Nice. We're up on a hill. Lake Forest is super hilly.
It's either you're on a hill or you're at the bottom of the hill. Being at the top's better than being at the bottom.
Yes, so we're up on the hill, in the trees, and we're tucked away. It's nice and private.
Most definitely. The lot next to us is empty as well, and it is thick. Got a little fireplace, electric fireplace going.
There's the living room out there, dining area, and the kitchen. It has these nice granite countertops and the white cabinetry.
Nice
Good looking kitchen.
undermount sink. Nice appliances. Plenty of cabinets.
Yes.
Gonna need a refrigerator.
Yes, need a fridge, and then the pantry is here. That's a good size.
Hey, that works. Yep.
This home is 1,800 square feet and has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
And has been recently renovated.
Yes.
So it has a 2-year-old roof, is that right?
Not like a year and a half.
A year and a half?
Yeah, the roof, the water heater, and the HVAC.
And they didn't cheap out on the HVAC.
That's
They put a nice train system in.
And so down this way is the first bathroom.
Okay, we're gonna poke our heads in here. Nice shower surround, one piece. So you don't have to worry about any mold or anything getting caught up in the crevices. Very nice. Raised 6-panel doors.
Here's your thermostat. It's nice and cool in here. It feels great.
Yeah, very nice, very nice.
And then there's a good coat closet.
Yeah. Right above Tasha's access to the attic, which is nice to have.
There's bedroom number 1.
Nice flooring. There's your driveway view.
We didn't talk about the price.
No, we haven't talked about the price. The price is very good.
Yeah.
So you'll have to hang out for just a little bit.
Hang out with us, stick around, you won't believe the price.
Yep. This one's a winner. Where'd she go? Right or left? Okay.
Bedroom number 2.
Bedroom number 2. Carbon copy of bedroom number 1.
Yes. And again, the view of the trees.
Yep. This home is what we would call a split ranch in the basement. We're above the garage.
We're from Missouri and we've had a split ranch before, and I loved that floor plan. It was very energy efficient.
Mhm.
The heating and cooling bills, they were not much at all.
I think she's going to show us the primary here.
Here's bedroom number 3, the primary.
That's pretty spacious. It's definitely bigger.
And you get a peek at the beautiful backyard.
Oh, very nice and private. It's got a privacy fence all the way around. Looks like he's replaced some boards on there. I believe he just had something done with the grass. I think he put sod back there. Maybe.
Yeah, had it freshly landscaped. And then was the first closet.
So we're going to call this his or hers?
Yes.
We'll just call it yes. Okay. It's a nice, good sized closet.
And then over here, the ensuite, little sinks, lots of storage space, cabinetry below.
Hey, this is nice space. Plenty of light.
Yes. And then back here is closet number 2 for the primary.
Hey, that's about the same size as that other one. There's a panel in here. Nice.
And then I'll get out of your way, but behind this door is the shower and the toilet.
Okay. Hey, that works. Another view of the backyard. Another one-piece shower tubs combo surround.
So we have seen 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms.
And 3 bedrooms.
So we need to find the other bedroom and bathroom downstairs.
Okay. Boy, this house is nice and cool considering how warm it is out there. Okay.
Okay, so we're at the bottom of the stairs. When you first walk in, you either go upstairs or downstairs.
See? Right there.
And here's a nice laundry room.
Oh, does washer and dryer go with this?
Yes.
Nice. Nice, clean, and bright.
And there's another closet under the stairs.
More storage.
And then is bedroom number 4.
Okay.
It's pretty awesome.
With a closet.
Yes. And you don't have to use it as a bedroom. It could be a family room or an office.
Yeah.
There's lots more workout room, lots of possibilities.
A lot of opportunities.
And then there's bathroom number 3.
Okay. We'll just poke our heads in here and check it out. And we have a shower. Very nice.
And there's also access to the 2-car garage from here.
Yep, and it's a large 2-car garage.
Yes.
So we're gonna poke our heads in here and just take a look real quick. This is more storage under the house. Just a nice large 2-car garage. 2 openers. Leads straight out to the street there off the driveway. So, is there anything special you'd like to tell us about the neighborhood?
Yes, this is Lake Forest, so it is an amenity-rich community, and it is a massive neighborhood. Lake Forest is huge.
Golf course.
Yes, it has the golf course, it has equestrian trails and stables, it has a marina, it has swimming pools, pickleball. I'm sure there's more I'm forgetting, but there is a lot just within Lake Forest. And then Lake Forest is in Daphne, and that is really close to Fairhope and Spanish Fort, and also not far to the beach. So it is really a wonderful location.
Let's talk about that price.
Okay. So you get all of this. You get 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,800 square foot, and being part of Lake Forest for $259.
Really?
Yes.
All right.
That's outstanding. That's a wonderful deal.
Yep, I like it.
So we are Philip and Tasha Smith. We are Gulf Coast Realtors. We'd love to represent you as your buyer's agent and help you relocate and move to the Gulf Coast. And we're also seller's agents too. This is our listing. So if you have questions or need anything, just reach out to us.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and share our channel and call, text, email us. We're available.
There you go. I wanted to give you a shot of this. Beautiful backyard. Got a retaining wall built up there. That's that new HVAC you're hearing running in the background. So could you imagine potentially having a swimming pool right about there? Isn't that just beautiful?